Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate checkout links into Stripe hosted pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the products section on the left hand menu. Click on plus add product to create a new product. Fill in the necessary product details such as name and description. Set the pricing model, choosing either one-time or recurring payments. Save the product after entering all relevant information. Next, go to the checkout section found in the left-hand menu. Select Create a new checkout page to begin. Choose your desired settings, such as payment types and title for the checkout page. In the checkout settings, look for the option to add promotional links. This is where you will insert your affiliate checkout link. Copy your affiliate link from the affiliate program's dashboard. Paste the affiliate link into the designated field in Stripe's checkout settings. Ensure that the link is correct and leads to the intended product. You can also customize the appearance of your checkout page if needed. Once all settings are configured, review everything for accuracy. Click on the Save button to finalize your checkout page setup. You will see a unique URL generated for your Stripe checkout page. Copy this unique URL to use in your promotions. Test your checkout page by visiting the link and making a sample purchase. Monitor your transactions through the Stripe dashboard to ensure everything is working smoothly. If there are any issues, revisit the settings to troubleshoot. That's the complete process of transferring affiliate checkout links into Stripe hosted pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.